Hello guys, welcome back. We'll be starting with a new chapter, Exponents. Okay, let's start. You have to tell me the short form of each expression. Let's start with the first one. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 5 times we are adding 3. What is the short form? Yes, so it will be 3 multiplied by 5. Next one, 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. 6 times 7, so it will be 7 multiplied by 6. Okay, now the third one, 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7, 6 times. So here we cannot do the same way. So the answer is 7 raised to 6, and this is called exponents. When the numbers are added together by itself, that time we use multiplication, but when the same number is multiplied by itself, it is called exponents. When the same number is multiplied by itself n number of times, it is called exponents. So here 7 raised to 6, 7 and 6. 7 is the base, 6 is called the index, and this we can write as 7 multiplied by itself 6 times. So these are the example sums we will be solving. Evaluate. First one, 2 raised to 6. We can write it as 2 multiplied by itself 6 times. So it is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what do we get? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64. The answer is 64. Next one, 3 raised to 2 multiplied by 7 raised to 2. We can write this as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. So we will get 9 into 49, which is 441. Third, 0 multiplied by 8 square. Now anything multiplied by 0 is 0, so we can simply write 0 here. Fourth, minus 3 upon 4, the whole raised to 4. So now we have a fraction which is raised to 4. The whole fraction is raised to 4. So this fraction will be multiplied by itself 4 times. So you will get minus 3 upon 4. You can write in bracket multiplied by minus 3 upon 4 multiplied by minus 3 upon 4 multiplied by minus 3 upon 4. So we got it 4 times. Now we can write minus sign is getting multiplied even number of times. So minus minus plus, this is also minus minus plus. So plus plus is plus. So since negative sign is getting multiplied by itself even number of times, it will become positive. So we can just write plus sign, and then 3 is getting multiplied by 4. 3 is getting multiplied 4 times, and 4 is also multiplied by 4 times. So we can write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 upon 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So we get 81 upon 256. 81 upon 256. Okay. Fifth one, minus 2 upon minus 3, the whole raised to 5. Okay. Again, same thing. Minus 2 upon minus 3 is getting multiplied by itself 5 times. So we'll write it like this. But if you see, there's negative sign here and here also. So if you see, if there's 2 negative signs in the numerator and denominator, they can cancel out. So how does this happen? Because let's say we have minus 2 upon minus 3. We can write it as minus 1 into 2, minus 1 into 3, and the minus 1 gets cancelled out. So 2 upon 3. So here also we can cancel out. So we can write 2 upon 3, the whole raised to 5, and then we can write it 2 5 times getting multiplied upon 3 5 times. And then we get 4 to the 8, 16, 32 upon 243. let's look at some more examples. First one, evaluate. So this we can write it as minus 2 upon 3 the whole raised to 3 multiplied by 3 by 5 the whole raised to 2. This we can write as, so this gets multiplied, minus sign gets multiplied 3 times, so it remains minus sign. So minus sign you can take it out, and then we can write 2 into 2 into 2 upon 3 into 3 into 3 multiplied by 3 into 3 upon 5 into 5. Now before multiplying, first see, we can cancel the 3's here. So 3 gets cancelled, and now we can calculate. We will get 8 upon 15. So this is minus 8 upon 25 3's are 75. Next one, second. Which is greater, 2 raised to 8 or 8 raised to 2? Let's calculate both first. So 2 raised to 8 will be 2 multiplied by itself 8 times. So what do we get? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64, 128, 256. 256. And what is 8 raised to 2? That is 8 multiplied by itself 2 times. So we will get 64. Therefore, 2 raised to 8 is clearly greater. 2 raised to 8. Okay. Next, third one. Find product of cube of 6 and square of 3. So we have to find product of cube of 6. This is 1 unit, cube of 6, and square of 32. So these are two different units, and we want to find the product of these two. So let's first find them individually. Cube of 6 means 6 raised to 3. 6 raised to 3, and square of 3 is 3 raised to 2. And we have to find the product. So product will be multiplication of them. So what do we get? 6 into 6 into 6 into 3 into 3. So we get 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 216 multiplied by 9, which is 1944. This is the answer. Next. Question 4, evaluate. Same method we'll follow. So 4 square minus 2 cube, we can write it as 4 multiplied by 4 minus 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 whole bracket multiplied by 3 square, 3 into 3. Next we get 16 minus 4 to the 8, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 whole bracket multiplied by 9. So we get 12 into 9, 12 into 9, which is 108. Okay, fifth one, we have A is 3, B is 2, find A raised to B and B raised to A. So A raised to B plus B raised to A will be 3 raised to 2 plus 2 raised to 3. So we get 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 into 2, which is 9 plus 8, which is 17. Expressed in exponential form. Let's take the first one, 288. So we are going to do a reverse process now. So we want to get it in the exponential form. We will solve this with the prime factorization method. So let's say 288 is there. We have to find all the prime factors of it. So what do we get? We can first divide by 2. So we get 2, 1, 4, 4. Then 2 7s are 4, 14. 2 2s are 4. 2 36. 2 18. 2 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So what do we get? We got 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And we got 3 2 times. So we can write this as 2 multiplied 2 raised to. So we can write this as 2 raised to 5 multiplied by 3 raised to 2. This is 2 times, this is 5 times. Okay, next one. Minus 32 upon 243. Now here we have to find both the numbers separately. So for 32, let's find 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Okay, so we got this. 2 is 5 times here and 3 is also 5 times. So we can write, we'll take the minus sign outside first, minus, and we can write 2 raised to 5 upon 3 raised to 5. Now we have to get this whole fraction raised to a power. So we'll have to take this minus sign inside. So what we will do, minus sign raised to an odd power will remain a minus sign. So we can take this, include this minus sign with the 2. So we can write minus 2 upon 3 the whole raised to 5. Now check first. Does it match? 2 raised to 5 we are getting. If we open the brackets, 2 raised to 5 we are getting, 3 raised to 5 we are getting, and minus sign multiplied by itself 5 times will remain a minus sign. So this is correct. Thank you guys for watching.